Hello students, here we are solving the question which is based on the topic of current electricity. The question here is, in hydrogen discharge tube, the number of protons drifting across cross section per second is 1.1 into 10 to the power 18, while the number of electrons drifting in opposite direction across another cross section is 3.1 into 10 to the power 18 per second. Find the current flowing in the tube. So first we see what is given to us. Given is number of protons is equals to number of protons per second is equals to 1.1 into 10 to the power 18, and number of electrons per second is equals to 3.1 into 10 to the power 18. Now we see solution for this question. We know that current is equals to charge upon time. Charge is equals to number of charge carriers into charge of each carrier upon time. So N will be equals to total number of protons plus total number of electrons. Therefore, N upon T will be equals to number of protons plus number of electrons per second. And the value of E is charge of proton 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Charge of proton is equals to charge of electron is equals to E. Now we put the value in the equation. So I is equals to 1.1 into 10 to the power 18 plus 3.1 into 10 to the power 18 multiplied by 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. This is equals to 4.2 into 10 to the power 18 into 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. On solving this, we get current is equals to 0.672 ampere. So what is the answer? In discharge tube, current is equals to 0.672 ampere. That is all for this question. Do check out my other videos for more challenging problems.